Hi, my name is Nadia Budarakis. I am 22 years old and I am currently in the nursing program at Baker College. I was at the Flint campus and then we had to consolidate into the Auburn Hills campus. I am currently a year in. I will be graduating in May of 2023. And a couple things about me is that I have 9 siblings and I am currently engaged. We've been together for 5 years. We get married next year in June of 2022, and we're getting married in Tennessee, just like a small elopement. And some fun things about me is that I like to travel. I enjoy the sun. I like boating. I like fishing. My job that I do, I'm a pharmacy tech. I've been doing it for 4 years, almost 5. Right now, I'm doing a nursing internship just for 10 weeks down in Warren at Ascension. So far, I'm enjoying it. And that is about it. So, thank you.